Okay, right now what we've got is year 7 body systems, lots and lots of different facts. We've got skeleton, and we've got muscles and joints and things like that. But for this topic, the most important one is breathing system, mainly because it comes up a lot later in GCSE as well. Right, so what I've got here is I've got how you inhale and how you exhale. Right, so now the wording of this is dead important. So we look at the left diagram first, which is breathing in. Okay, around the edge, what you've got is those little yellow circles, or your ribs. Okay, the little pink bits in between the yellow circles are the intercostal muscles. The pink line, the kind of curved line across the bottom, is then your diaphragm. That's kind of the bit that goes across the bottom, and if you get punched in it, that's then when you get winded. Right, now think about what is happening when you inhale, breathing in. As ribs move up and out, the diaphragm flattens. Okay, so the diaphragm flattens, that means it goes down, the volume of inside the chest increases. So that area within the yellow and the diaphragm at the bottom gets bigger, okay, because that pink line has then gone flat. Number 2, it then says, you've then got an increased volume in that area because the volume has decreased, or increased rather, so then you've got lower pressure in the chest. To fill that lower pressure, what you do is you suck air in from the atmosphere, and that's then when you breathe in. To the right hand side, exhale is as the ribs and the diaphragm move up, so you can see the ribs going in, right? The diaphragm then goes curved, the volume of the chest gets smaller. Therefore, you've got a decreased volume, so there's more pressure in the chest, and what it does, it squirts air out. So pressure in the chest then is higher, and what air is then forced out of the lungs. So that's breathing in and breathing out. So what you now need to do is you now need to practice on a piece of paper, draw it, right, and do the 3 stages for inhale and exhale, making sure that it's all done correctly.